Let's set your donation amounts. In the Campaign Builder, open Settings, then Donation Options. Everything a donor can give is configured right here. Start with the suggested amounts. The one-click options on your form will set $25, $50, $100, and $250. Choose one as the default, so it's already selected when the form loads. We'll use $50. You can add as many suggested amounts as you like, or remove any you don't need. Turn on custom donations, and a supporter can give any amount that's meaningful to them. You can also set a minimum and a maximum. A minimum stops tiny gifts that cost more to process than they raise, and a maximum keeps donations in a range that fits your campaign. Save, and your new amounts are live on the donation form. For more Charitable tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.